Light an organic candle or incense and play soothing, meditative music to set a tranquil atmosphere. Bring 1 cup of water to a gentle simmer. Add healing spices, a stick of cinnamon, a pinch of turmeric, bay leaves, and a few cloves, letting each spice infuse its essence. Sample the cacao. If its strength calls for balance, add a bit more water to reach the desired potency. Sweeten with honey as needed, honoring the natural depth and essence of the cacao. As you stir, imbue the cacao with love and intention, blessing it as a sacred medicine meant for 2. Each person may receive a nourishing half cup. May this ritual nourish your soul and connect you to the timeless wisdom passed down through generations.